I am Maria Patsarika. I am postdoctoral research associate working at the Social Design Institute. I was thinking about the concept of anticipation, the word anticipation and the verb to anticipate. And every time a concept is being extensively used in disciplinary contexts, I quite like to revisit them, to go back to a dictionary to see what they mean. And I'm doing that because it helps a lot to revisit the meaning of the words, whether and how these are being addressed by from a specific disciplinary perspective or not. So I will read my notes here from the Cambridge Dictionary says that anticipate verb has two meanings, is to imagine or expect that something will happen. A second meaning is to take action in preparation for something that you think will happen. And while I guess we may all agree that from time to time we all engage in some kind of envisioning, we do develop visions for the future and we do anticipate what might happen in the future. It remains a different question though whether everyone can actually take action towards imagining and preparing for the future. So in other words, if anticipation suggests agency, can everyone anticipate? This is my question for today. And of course, research highlights the need to decolonize assumptions about the lives of people whose lives are the object of policy intent. And we know that design has been recognized as a key capacity that enables co-creation with citizens about social and public policy issues. So another question for design: can design methodologies also contribute to more inclusive anticipation? So inclusive anticipation also suggests inclusive participation. So having inclusion as our guiding principle, my colleague Alan and I prepared a brief which is going to be discussed today, hopefully with some of you, about childhood obesity.